Once again, my friends, we just got executed. We made a big ass trade right here on that 645 put. We finally have the market, believe this or not, in 24 minutes of this opening bell. We bought wholesale. We let that high get put in. Then we bought wholesale. Then we let the reversals come back. And basically, when you take a look at the 645 weekly put here, this thing is still cheap. And it was $11. Remember that, it's a weekly. So basically, we took the first round of profits and we're happy to do so. And we did that here now live in the first 24 minutes of that opening bell. And we exited out on the highs in this last channel range, which was 930. Okay. We haven't had a slide the bid market for a while because of the gap. That means that the upper end of these gaps in certain names and equities are holding true to resistance. However, on the flip side of things, after we exited over here, we're going to buy again at 7.6. Okay, but nonetheless, the indexes keep this gap sequence going on major headlines out of U.S. Federal Reserve wanting to save the world at your tax dollar expense. Yes, you heard what I said. Your tax dollars. And you can go over there and knock on their door and say, hey, thank you for abusing my tax dollars. Nonetheless, that's a different subject. I'm 930 by 950. This side of the market, we finally hit a major wall of resistance. We shorted this Apple up here at that 625. And let us not forget that this is a big ass pair right now, $3 off that low. They closed at 860. They hit that head right there at 710, made that high of 1140 and that exit out of there on that short on that bellwether that hit 618 and got support and is bouncing 200 pennies, $2 off of these lows on Apple, and that's the highlight of the two major trades right there. Let us not forget, though, that we do have a Priceline going up $10, and they report earnings after the closing bell. And I will be addressing this live trade next. Opening bell, 30 minutes, 4 minutes. We've been open 26 minutes in the price zone with successful entries and exits within the price channel over here in the put side of the market. And we will be looking at the call side of the market once they have to, lose most of their value and they would be wholesale to us.